Natural wood is a staple in Japanese-inspired kitchens. Light wood tones create a warm, organic feel, perfect for bringing a touch of nature indoors. Embrace simplicity with a clean, minimalist kitchen layout. In Japanese design, every element has a purpose, making the space feel open and uncluttered. Shoji screens are a traditional Japanese element that can be used to subtly divide spaces in the kitchen. Their translucent panels offer privacy while maintaining a sense of openness. Stone countertops, particularly in natural, earthy tones, are a beautiful complement to Japanese-inspired kitchens. They add a touch of nature and durability to the design. Open shelving creates a sense of airiness and simplicity, key elements of a Japanese kitchen. It allows you to display curated items while keeping the design uncluttered. An earthy color palette of soft grays, browns, and greens mimics the natural elements found in Japanese design. This creates a grounded, peaceful kitchen environment. Bring traditional Japanese elements into the dining area with tatami mats. They add texture and can serve as seating cushions for a low dining table. Bamboo is a key material in Japanese design, known for its sustainability and natural beauty. Incorporate it into your kitchen for an eco-friendly and stylish touch. Incorporate a minimalist kitchen island with clean lines and a simple design. It adds functionality without overwhelming the space, true to Japanese design principles. Rice paper pendant lights offer a soft, diffused light, perfect for creating a calming ambience in the kitchen. These fixtures bring a touch of traditional Japanese style. Incorporate elements of a Zen garden into your kitchen design with simple stone accents and greenery. These features bring tranquility and balance to the space. For a more dramatic look, consider dark-wood cabinets with clean, minimal lines. This adds depth and sophistication to the kitchen while maintaining the simplicity of Japanese design. Low-profile, built-in appliances are essential for maintaining the minimalist look of a Japanese-inspired kitchen. They blend seamlessly with the cabinetry for a clean, uncluttered appearance. Natural light is key to creating a tranquil, open atmosphere. Large windows or skylights allow sunlight to filter in, connecting the kitchen to the outdoors. Sliding cabinet doors are a space-saving solution that reflects traditional Japanese design. They provide easy access while maintaining the sleek, minimalist look.